Hi there, I'm Robert and I want to show you this Vauxhall Corsa 2017 on the 66 SRI 1.4, but it's the 100 brake turbo and it's got a lot of VX line trim, although it is on the logbook an SRI. Alloy wheels, good tyres all round, lovely bright red bodywork which is in very good condition, 3-door with tinted windows. At the rear you've got a cavernous boot with folding down rear seat. Once you come round to the front of the car, you've obviously got electric windows, electric mirrors, height adjustable seat and steering column. It's only done 42,925 miles, clear instrument display, touchscreen, DAB radio, FM, Bluetooth, projection, air conditioning, cup holders, USB, the Recaro style seats with the red trim on, and obviously the red trim to complement the dash. A superb car. Don't hesitate to give me a call, ask for Robert, and we'll look after you the best we can.